In videos K.7.1 and 1.7.1, Max and Min conducted surveys, that is, asked questions of their friends and fellow school students to collect data or information from them. They noticed that some survey questions are answered with words like yes, no, or maybe, while other survey questions like how many brothers and sisters do you have are answered with numbers. At school recently, Mrs. Masters surveyed the 22 students in the twins class by asking the following question. How much pocket money to the nearest dollar do you receive each week? While the students thought about this question and wrote their answers on a piece of paper, the teacher drew this table on the whiteboard. She then collected the students' answers and marked the results on the table like this. She started by writing the different pocket money amounts, which went from $0 up to $5 in the first column. Then put the results for each amount, one by one, into the tally column. After which, she wrote the totals for each amount in the third column by counting up each tally. By looking at the table, can you answer the following questions? Question 1. How many students in the class receive $5 pocket money each week? And question 2. What is the most popular amount of pocket money received in this class and how many students receive it? Pause the video and write down your answers. The answer to question 1 is 2 students. The answer to question 2 is $3 is the most popular amount, with 9 students receiving that amount. Mrs. Masters then explained that data received from surveys is often displayed using some kind of chart or graph. In video 1.7.1, we looked at a pie chart, which looks like this, and also a bar graph, which looks like this. But this time, the teacher wanted to use a picture graph to present the data. This is called a picture graph, she said, because it uses a picture to represent the data. In this case, the number of pictures in each column shows us how many students receive the amount of pocket money shown below it. For example, there are 6 pictures above the $2 amount because 6 students receive $2 per week pocket money. After Max and Min and their classmates copied the picture graph into their books, Mrs. Masters and her class had a discussion about chance. Chance is about measuring or describing how likely it is that a certain event will happen, said the teacher. There are words we often use when describing or discussing chance. If an event is likely, it means it will probably happen. If an event is unlikely, it means it will probably not happen. For example, she continued, it is quite sunny and cloudless outside, so what is the chance that it will rain this afternoon? That's right. If there are no clouds, it will probably not rain, so it is unlikely. If an event is possible, it means it could happen. For example, even though it is unlikely to rain this afternoon, it is still possible that it might rain. If an event is impossible, it means it cannot happen. For example, it is impossible for a kitten to grow into an elephant. If an event is certain, it means it will definitely happen, like Monday coming after Sunday. If an event is uncertain, it may or may not happen, like whether or not it will rain next week. Can you think of events that are likely, unlikely, possible, impossible, certain, or uncertain to happen today? Discuss your answers with someone. Now you can watch this video again or try the quiz and look at the chart that comes with this video.